This is all of our property line over here. And then we also have our fence on the right side of the house. I'm gonna walk over to the inside of the house. You can see our garage. And they actually still have it open, so I wanna see if I can walk in right quick. Before they close it, before they lock it up. It feels so good in here. So right now we're in the front foyer. It feels so cool in here. This is our front room, bedroom number 1. And we have carpet. We came here on Friday for our blue tape, so they still need to address these issues. They haven't done that yet. But they'll be addressing those before we close on Thursday. As you can see, there's blue tape on the carpet, on the wall, and on the door. And then we have full bathroom number 1. And you can see the blue tape. So we actually placed all these blue tapes on last Friday for our walkthrough. Hello. And now we're in bedroom number 2. So you can see all the blue tape. This is our laundry room. You can see all that blue tape. So they still need to address all these issues. You can see the blue tape on the wall. We're in bedroom number 3 now. And we got blue tape in the closet and on the wall here. Now we're in our study, and then we have blue tape here on the floor. So, and then you can see that the blue tape, this is our door right here. And this is our half bathroom number 1. And you can see the blue tape. Blue tape. And now we're in our main kitchen area, family area. So you can see all the blue tape, so these have to be addressed before we close. And look at our backsplash. We have a gray subway tile backsplash in the kitchen. It's so nice. It came out nice. And we have all of our GE appliances. It's our dishwasher. That's our microwave. See all that blue tape. Let's get a view from like a corner kitchen area. It's so beautiful. We can't wait to move in. We're so excited. This is such a blessing. This is our fireplace. And you can see all the blue tape here on our floors that needs to be addressed in our island area. And now we're walking to the owner's suite. It feels so good in here too. And you can see the blue tape. They had green tape as well. This is our owner's suite. This carpet is so beautiful. And this is our owner's suite bathroom. It looks like they put some caulking They're okay, so that's good. They still need to fix this. This was the item that they need to address because the drawer is actually not. It's crooked. You can see, so they still need to address that. This is our water closet. I don't see any blue tape in here, so this is good. Linen closet. They still need to address that blue tape. Let's walk into our closet. This looks good. This closet is so massive. It's nice. We actually have like a little storage area over here too. That's real nice. Now let me turn this light off. And now we'll go upstairs. It feels so good in here. And they stained our stairs, the handles. And they still have blue tape up here that they need to address as well. But it feels so good in here. And this is our second half bathroom. So you can see that blue tape on the walls and on the doors. Hey. I'm actually gonna walk outside to the backyard so you guys can see they put the fence up. So they put that up today. Our yard is so nice. So we have our fence. That's our fence. It looks so nice. And our property line actually extends all the way. It extends all the way to the front of the house, and it goes all the way over here. So we're actually gonna extend our fence. Maybe in a couple months to like the front of the house so we can have more yard space. But yeah, it's looking nice. Looking very nice.